In today's video, we are going to talk about high-paying, boring jobs that are remote and that are beginner-friendly. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salwa, and I help freedom seekers start to earn money remotely so they can work from anywhere. So welcome. If you want a remote job that is high-paying, simple, and honestly a little bit boring, then listen up. These jobs are perfect if you don't want any stress and you just want to make some good money working from home or from anywhere for that matter. So let's go through these 5 boring but profitable jobs, remote jobs that you can start even as a beginner. The number 1 on my list is compliance analyst. This job sounds super complicated, but it really is not. Basically, you are making sure that companies follows the rules. For example, making sure documents are correct, laws are followed, and internal procedure are updated. Think of it like checking if everyone is doing what they're supposed to do. Is it AI proof? Yes, because companies legally need humans to monitor compliance. Where can you find this type of jobs? LinkedIn, Indeed, and remote.co. Okay, the next one on my list is invoice processing specialist. So this job is literally handling invoices. That's all you gotta do. You take incoming invoices, you review them, you make sure the number match, and then you approve them for payment. It's repetitive, but it's straightforward, and you can make a lot of money doing that. Is it AI proof? Yes, moderately, because automation helps, but companies still need humans for verification and correction. So where can you find this type of job? Flex Jobs, Indeed, Upwork, and you can just work as a freelancer.
By the way, if you see all the smokes, it's because I have my incense. I always have incense in my office when I do my filming days.
All right, the next one I have on my list is policy writer. So basically you create internal company's policy, like guidelines for remote work, safety, customer service, or employee behavior. If you like writing and you like organizing information, then you will love this one. It's one of the calmest remote jobs out there, especially if you are introvert. Is it AI proof? Yes, because business need accurate human reviewed policies. Where can you find these jobs? LinkedIn, we work remotely, and government website. Just go on the website and contact them and ask them. All right, the 4th one on my list is quality insurance analyst. It's not tech. So this is not coding. This means that you test processes. For example, checking if customer service responses follow the scripts or if tasks are completed correctly. It's like being the final checker. Is it AI proof? Yes, because company needs human to verify quality. Where can you find these jobs? Same old same website, remote, okay, Indeed, and Simply Hired. And the last one on my list is payroll specialist. You manage employees' payment, you make sure that people get paid correctly, you fix error and answer payroll questions. It's repetitive, it's calm, it pays very well once you get the experience. Is it AI proof? Strongly yes, because payroll mistakes are expensive, so humans are required to verify the information. Where can you find this type of jobs? ADP, Paychecks with an X, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. So yes, boring job can pay really well. And I like to say if you are introvert, because a lot of people don't necessarily want to do content and be in front of the camera, present themselves in an interview and talk to people. So this is perfect if you are an introvert and you want to work remotely from home or from anywhere. These type of jobs are for you. Let me know in the comment section down below which one of these jobs you like the most, if you want me to go deeper and do a tutorial. And if you want to get started learning and making an income online, I do have a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Make sure you download it. It's free, it's full of value, and I'll see you in my community out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye from Mexico. Bye.